So today I will show you how to play Survivor in Dead by Daylight. First, click on the play button to continue. Next, choose the Survivor option to enter the Survivor lobby. In the lobby, you can invite friends by clicking the plus sign on the screen. If no one is available to join you, you can simply click the play button located at the lower right to queue solo. After that, wait while the game matches you with other online players. Once the match is found, you will be able to choose the survivor character you want to use. Each character has their own unique skills and perks. When everything is set, wait for the countdown to finish, and once it starts, you're ready to play. And that's it. That's how you play Survivor in Dead by Daylight.